Stop. I think that's the housing society.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's go. Go to work.
Okay. We are inside the housing society. Now how do we reach her? We don't even know her name.
You don't worry. I will speak to anyone who walks by. Just point and shoot. I will handle the rest. Hold on. Uncle, hello.
Who, uncle?
I am talking to you.
Right. I can be your uncle considering my age. So?
But uncle, I wanted to ask you.
Just a minute. Save your questions for later. First answer my questions. Okay? Who are you? And what are you doing over here? Who permitted you to take pictures? Whose pictures are you taking? Did you take permission from the housing society?
Please calm down. Look here, we are journalists.
So?
Uncle, we give importance to getting news more than seeking permission.
Oh, I see. So you already got the news that we didn't get any water today. Wow. Good. You should print that news. I'm sick and tired of complaining to the society. I'll give you all the information you want. Right now.
Listen, uncle. We'll discuss your water woes, but later, not now.
Then?
Tell me something. Do you know this girl?
Hey, this is Neha. And he is Yash.
Neha, who? She must have a full name.
Yes, Neha Kamath. Anyone here could have told you about her.
So, you know her very well?
Do I know her? She's my neighbor and she's like a daughter to me. But what do you want from her?
Listen, uncle. You said Neha is like a daughter to you. She's also a good friend of Yashvardhan Chaudhary.
Yes.
Actually, she's a special friend. Yashvardhan Chaudhary was running on the street to meet her. And also we have seen them chatting on the road.
So what?
Uncle, it's a scoop for us. We'll publish it in tomorrow's edition.
What do you want from me?
Okay, uncle, listen. If you know anything about Neha, so please tell me. And if you give us right information, we will give you a hot tip.
Wait. Since you mentioned a tip, let me give you some advice. Or else I don't dish advice like that.
You can tell us, uncle. We'll give you a hot tip. You'll really like it.
This is where Marathi people go wrong.
What do you mean?
When it comes to stock market tips, we must find out who is giving it. You must also verify its authenticity. And you must also verify that person's knowledge. He might be just forwarding you a rumor or overused information. Is it really an inside information or not? Does he really know the secrets of the company? All these are very important factors. One should know all these things in detail.
What are you saying, uncle? I don't understand anything.
That's what I'm telling you. Marathi people still haven't got the hang of the stock market.
Hey, what are you getting at? You are going to give us a tip about Neha. Then why did you bring it up this topic?
You see, patience is the virtue in stock market. Okay, now you must listen to whatever I'm saying.
We won't listen to you.
But why won't you listen to me?
Whatever you've been saying for a long time.
Huh? What have I been saying? And who are you anyways?
I told you that a while ago.
But who am I?
How do we know that, uncle?
Eh? Tell me something. Was I going out or coming in?
You were going out, sir.
Oh yes, I have to buy vegetables. I'll be in trouble if I don't get any of them. I shouldn't be chatting and wasting my time. I'd better leave. Come on.
Hey, he was absolutely horrible.
Forget it. Now what do we do?
Let's talk to someone and get information.
That man wasted our time.
Yes, at least now we know she lives here.
Yeah.
keep the camera ready and
Okay.
record everything.
Hey, where are you going? Huh? Tell me. Mom, someone has intruded in our society. Mrs. Jadhav, Mrs. Lele, someone has
please,
intruded. What's wrong?
hey, please,
They
please.
are intruders and they are taking pictures.
Hey, it's not what you think it is.
Who are you? Who are you?
Why have you entered in our society?
And why are you taking pictures?
Someone might have sent them here.
You should be ashamed to take pictures of girls in our society.
Hey, no. Please hear us out.
We won't listen to you. You were taking pictures, right? Isn't this true?
No, we were just taking the pictures of the society.
Yeah, yes.
I'm sure a builder must have sent them here.
No.
Which builder sent you here? Tell us.
Hey, please calm down and listen to me. Look. I am a reporter, and we are here to report about Mr. Yashwardhan
Yes.
Chaudhary. So we came here. Looks like we troubled you. We had better go.
Did you come here for Yash? Good day. I must have warned you so many times. He isn't our Yash anymore. Call him Yashwardhan Chaudhary.
Yes, right. We are following upon the same news. We heard that Mr. Yashwardhan was running on the streets. Later, we found out he was running towards a girl. We followed up that information and reached here.
Of course, you got that news. Our Yash. I mean, your Mr. Yashwardhan Chaudhary. He comes here often.
What? Mr. Yash comes here. But why?
Neha is his friend. And she also works in his company. I'm the secretary of the society.
Enough about you. Yash is a very kind man. He is so rich, but he didn't let anyone find out about that.
Some rich people are mysterious. But where does Miss Neha live?
There. That's where Neha lives.
And please tell me who else live with her?
She and her daughter.
Will they be at home?
Yes, they are. Why are you asking only about Neha? Ask about us too.
Yes, we will. Will not only ask about you, but also take pictures of the whole society. I have decided to create a piece on Yashwardhan Chaudhary and the importance of this society in his life.
Will it have our photos?
Yes, not just you, but all of them. Hello? Yes, the news is confirmed. Yashwardhan Chaudhary and the mystery girl, that should be the title. I'll give you the details later.
What's this mystery girl?
That's a surprise. Yashwardhan Chaudhary met a girl, but no one know who is she. We will publish her photo on our page 3.
Oh, wow!
What happened?
A lot of people don't know this.
What?
Yashwardhan Chaudhary met me and both of us chatted a lot. I was standing very close to him. I have a suggestion. You should publish my photo under the mystery girl title. I'll go and get ready.
Yes.
Mom, we have to
hurry.
get ready for the let's photo. put some guys. Hurry up, let's go.
You must take my photo. I am the secretary of this building. Remember that, huh?
Our work is finished.
Yes.
Now these women will bring out Neha Kamal.
Pari, I have cooked your favorite vegetable curry, so eat on time. And you have to study once you eat, okay? You had a fever last night, right? So don't waste time while studying, just study. You should rest after study. Don't go out to play, not even with Ojas, okay?
I won't. Mom, thank you.
What for?
You let me speak to my friend yesterday.
Pari, it's time for your injection.
have to be ready for the photo.
Let's hurry,
put on
hurry,
nice
hurry up,
clothes.
come on.
What was that noise? Let me go and check.
Mom, how do I look?
Can't you wear anything else besides a t-shirt?
I look better in t-shirts. So I have put a t-shirt.
You should have worn a sari.
In sari, I look like an old woman.
You never know, you might get a good marriage proposal if someone sees you in a sari.
Hey mom, don't you worry about my marriage. I'm not goody anymore. I'm a mystery girl now. A mystery girl. Once my photo is in the papers, men will line up to marry me.
This news about Yash might help you get married, that's what I wish.
But why are you getting ready? Why are all our neighbors in a hurry?
Neha, don't you have any idea?
No.
There are reporters and photographers in our society.
Why?
Remember Yash?
Call him Yashvardhan Chaudhary, not Yash.
The same. He was running on the street to meet a girl. A wealthy man like him is running on the street to meet a girl. So they want to make news out of that.
Oh, come on, they make news about anything these days. After all, he's a rich man. Even a sneeze from him can create a headline.
Oh, Mom, thanks to you, I forgot to tell her. Listen, Neha. I met him out in the veranda. I'm going to have a photo session. He said there will be a piece on Yashvardhan Chaudhary and Mystery Girl, a photo and some information. Help me choose a pose for the photo. Like this? Or that one? Tell me, is this okay?
Neha! Wait there for a minute!
This is too much now. Yash must be behind this.
Pardon? Pardon? Pardon, please? Are you still there? I thought you hung up on me. Whose photo do you actually want? Yash photo. Oh, well, we have one. But it's his childhood photo. He took that with me. Sorry, okay? I call after.
You call after. A bit. Who was that?
That was Mom.
Really? Give it to me. I want to speak to her. Give it to me. Will you hand me the phone? Or will you tell me the truth?
Channel. That was a prominent reporter calling from a news channel.
Really? Which channel?
Oh, gosh, I forgot to ask the name. Let me call back and ask them.
Will you call the channel from our house? Why? You will call them to ask their name, are you? Are you that dumb? You act foolish and you're so middle class. You would better stop that now. Or else, I'm sure you will find yourself not staying here.
That's not true, sister-in-law. The channel did contact me. They wanted to know about Yash.
Just be quiet. Just be quiet. Everyone is talking about Yash. What is going on here? Does no one live here except Yash? I warn you. I am warning you, if I see you talking to anyone about Yash.
No way. I don't want to talk about Yash. What if I got a call again you through my phone? Oh, my phone!
Today I just threw out your phone. Tomorrow I will throw you out. Got it?
My phone.
So tell me, which clothes should I wear?
You should wear this dress.
But they will be taking my pictures.
So what? You will look pretty in this dress.
But Aunt Shifali says that when we go for a photo shoot, we should wear bright clothes. So I will wear another dress.
What's going on, Pari?
Mom, they are going to take pictures of everyone in the building today.
Those photos will be in the papers. My mom will give me new clothes to wear.
Your mom is calling out to you.
But my mom didn't call out to me.
Go, she is calling out to you. Pari, what's going on here? We are not taking any pictures.
Mom, let's take pictures. I will show them in my school once they are in the papers.
First, gather your things and go inside. That's not happening. Don't come outside till I call out to you. Now go inside. Go.
Neha. Tell me, Neha.
What's going on here?
Sorry, what are you talking about?
You really don't know, or you are just pretending?
Now listen to me. You should calm down first. Then tell me everything that has happened.
There are reporters and photographers outside my house.
Reporters and photographers. Why?
They want to take my interview. Who sent them here? Who told them about me?
Hey, listen. Let me first clear this misunderstanding that either Yash or I haven't sent any of them. But why did they come to you? Did they speak to you? Did they question you? Did they mention anything?
I ran into Mr. Yash the other day. He spoke to me. Somehow the reporters found out and now they want to take my interview. Who told them about me?
Listen to me, Neha. Neither Yash nor I have sent them there. We have nothing to do with this.
Maybe you don't, but Mr. Yash certainly has something to do with this. That's why the reporters came to my house. Campaigns for your products, putting up hoarding about yourselves, news reports in the papers. It must be a big deal for you. Maybe it's a part of your profession. But I have a daughter and I live an insignificant life. I have to be very cautious about my actions and every step I take. If your actions puts me in trouble, whose help do I seek? I'm so shocked by what has happened. Did you ever imagine how this will affect my Pari? If they reached at my place for this tribal thing, they might circulate rumors about me as well. How do I face my family? What should I tell Pari? Please tell me, what should I say?
Neha, I accept whatever you are saying. I will speak to Yash right away. It will take some time as he's in the conference, but I will speak to him, okay?
Don't just speak to him. You have to stop this.
Neha.
I'm not a mystery girl and there is nothing going on between Mr. Yash and me. So please put a stop to this.
Neha, please calm down a bit. I request you, please calm down. Just don't worry. I give you my word, none of them will be able to trouble you, okay? Hello? Hello?